In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add this Google search bar on your home screen on Redmi smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so having this search bar is one of the best way for you to search for anything without having to go to Chrome or to any browser. So if you are missing this, let me show you how you can add it. Now to get started, as you can see, I have here a plain home screen without the search bar. To add it, just go ahead and long press anywhere on your screen like that, and then you will see widgets here. So if you click on widgets, scroll down until you get to the section called Google. So I'll scroll down and you can see now here is the Google widgets. From this, go ahead and swipe until you see the one called Google with the home search bar icon. So click on it and you can see the search bar has been added. Now you can move it whenever you want, and remember to check this mark to apply these changes. So once you have added it, now you can start searching or using it direct from here. Now should you want to remove it, you can just long press on it and you can now remove it when you click on remove here. So that's how you can add Google search bar on your home screen on a Redmi smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.